Welcome to Modular Classroom. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to extract day, month and year separately from a date in Excel. It will be mainly useful if you're working on mark sheets, attendance, data analysis or any research data. This is a very useful function. Now let us see. Here I have shown you a date, the name, student's detail which contains the name, gender, date of birth, month, and I'm extracted here month, day and full day. Now I'll show you how to do that. So for that purpose, I'm just going on to this day is equal to day of the cell which contains the date of birth. Give enter, it shows you the day, that is 12. And to extract the month, I have to give like month of this particular date. It will give you in number, but if you want it as a text, if you want the month name instead of text, for that use is equal to text of this particular cell, comma, open the double quotes, give MMM, close it, give enter. It will give you as July. Similarly, for the year is equal to year of this particular cell. It will give you the year. And to extract the full day name, just give is equal to text the cell, comma, DDD. It will give you the day. Give enter. So see how easily it from the given date you can able to extract the month. The month is also has a text and the day of a given date, year and the day with the text. This can be easily extracted, and only one important tip that you have to keep in your mind is this cell should contain the date is properly format in the data type as date. If it is in the text format, Excel will not recognize it as a date. Mainly if it is stored on the date, it can be easily extracted, which you can further process for attendance report or processing the salary statement, research data analysis, or to filter the records by year or month likewise. So this is a very simple function, but it is a very effective method also. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.